Let's see how to split cells in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. And right now, you can see that this table has some of its cells already merged. Now, let's say that we want to split these cells into their original position. So what you can do is highlight on the merged cell, such as this. Now click on Table Layout right here on top. Now click on Split Cells. And that will open up this new window, which will allow you to choose your cells on how many cells you want to split. Now, since there are 4 and you want to return it to its original position, let's simply type in 4 columns. And that will turn your merged cell into 4 different cells. Now, let's do the same thing here. Since there are 3 columns, let's highlight this. Now, click on Split Cells again and change it to 3 columns. And that is how you can split cells in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.